my fellow Adventists who are in this room, I want to ask of you one thing. Do you know how we fight our battles as Christians? We fight them on our knees. Let us pray so hard for our country. Pray so hard for our neighbors. I saw my brothers here from Tanzania. Whatever is going on in their country, let us pray for them, pray for the country, and pray for the leaders, so that the leaders are touched of God by the Spirit of God to understand and value human life, to know that all of us are required to be here to serve the people, that we hold power and trust on behalf of the people, and that every time we discharge public duty, it must be for the welfare of the people. And you know, my brother Musiria, you got a referendum here on SHA. Please go and tell those wonderful people to do the right thing.